Hey there, here's a simple meditation to help shift your bad mood. First, find your space somewhere quiet, comfortable, safe. And you can have a seat on the ground or in a chair. When you're ready, bring the shoulders up to your ears with a big inhale in through the nose. And with a big sigh out through the mouth, drop the shoulders, relax your face, and let it go. Again, inhale, shoulders up to the ears. Exhale, sigh out, drop the shoulders down. One last time, make it count. Inhale, up, up, up. And exhale, down. Feel a hint of calm wash over you. Notice how the body feels, how you feel. Make any adjustments that would add to your comfort. Relax into your breath. Let go of any tension. When you're ready, acknowledge the mood you're in. You don't need to try and change it right away. Just observe the feelings you're experiencing, whether it's frustration, sadness, anger, or anything else. Recognize what it is and how your body or heart reacts to it. Begin to breathe in deeply and slowly through your nose, allowing your belly to rise. And exhale slowly through the nose, letting go of any tightness. On your next cycle, make your breathing a little more audible, applying a little constriction or pressure in the back of your throat, like an ocean breath or you're fogging up your mirror, but keep the mouth closed throughout. Keep this ujjayi, or your audible victorious breath, going. Slow, steady, and in control. As you continue breathing this way, imagine that the bad mood you're feeling is a heavy cloud or a dark energy within your body. You might even be able to see where it resides in your body, maybe in your chest or head or stomach. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in fresh, calming energy. And as you breathe out, visualize this negative energy leaving your body, dissolving away. Let the bad mood begin to fade away with each breath, releasing it into the air where it can disperse and no longer affect you. Let this mindfulness be enough as you sit in stillness for a little while longer. With each inhale, imagine clean, positive energy coming in to fill you up with peace and comfort. And with each exhale, it soothes your muscles and softens your emotions and your heart. Bring in compassion for the mood you're in and give yourself permission to feel and have difficult moments. You might still have plenty of emotions after this practice, but acknowledge that you showed up for yourself made time to feel and have a bit of self-care. Hope you feel better soon, and until next time, have a good one.